Hello teacher, my name is Chanokchon. You can call me Tan Yong. My ID is 612000368. Today I will talking topic about my cat and advantage of having a cat. I believe that many people have thought of waiting to have a cat. For some people, having a cat is that we have friends. Raising them off cure loneliness. Cat or someone who has a cat because of their love and playfulness. Some people like cats that they are willing to invest in expensive cat breeds. But for some, having a cat can be a hassle and add to the burden on him. Having a cat is long-term care of animal or care for it for the rest of its life, in which if it is someone who don't not really have time, he cannot raise a cat. Today, I'm going to introduce everyone to my cat and talk about the advantage of having a cat. My cat name is Bruno. Bruno is a Persian cat. It have color is orange and white. Bruno 1 year old. Is male. I bought Bruno from my friend. Bruno has a cute character. Perverse but later timid. Bruno is smart and obedient cat. Bruno's species is running and collect the ball.
お前はもう死んでいる。
A talent that most cats cannot do it. Bruno is a peaceful cat, but like to take her owner for walking.
หลังหอเนี่ย
Bruno would wake up at 5 a.m. every day to wake me up because it was hungry. Bruno's loveliness made me fall in love with the first time I saw it. For the advantage of having a cat is 1. Make us feel that we have friends with us all the time. Make us not lonely. 2. It gives us more responsibility, whether it is feeding, cleanliness. 3. Makes us become gentler and love animals more. 4. Cat can be as good companion as dog. I therefore recommend it to anyone who is reluctant or intends to get a cat. Cat can be great companion for you and you will unconsciously love them. Thank you for watching and listening.